Hello guys, welcome back to Sun Crypto. In today's content, we're going to talk about XRP. We're going to take a look at XRP on a 50-day cycle, and we're also going to take a look at XRP on a quarterly cycle, right? So we've been bullish on XRP over the last few months and so on. As you know, price action has been moving slowly to the downside, and been looking to retest all-time low versus BTC. As we've been saying over the last few months, what we said was like XRP, even though we extremely bullish on XRP, we're expecting like a price action to retest all-time low when XRP price action was just about like 2,000 to a 3,000 area consolidation right here. We said we are likely to get some rejection just about the monthly 21 EMA and all that good stuff, right? So what we're seeing right now from XRP bulls is like you can see like back in 2014, July 2014, the 50-day cycle right here, we bottom out at 700 sats, 600 sats, right? And before the next bull run, the 2017 bull run, we retested the 500, 600 sats and pump all the way up to like a 23,000 sats, guys. So it is a beautiful move, like in like 2 quarters. Okay, the last bull run for XRP, basically the entire bull run was just like 6 months versus BTC. As you can see, after we picked right here based on closing basis just about 10,000, we dipped all the way down to like 3,000 sats, where we basically face some reaccumulation right here, okay, in just about like a July through October 2020 right here, right? So now we basically retesting all-time lows based on closing basis, okay. Yes, we did not retest like all-time low based on lowest price right here, which is like 50 sats. I don't expect us to retest 50 sats anytime soon, right? But anything can happen, but I don't expect like a XRP to retest 50 sats, right? So what we expecting right now, since like based on closing basis, right, we at all-time low, and on a quarterly basis right here, you can see like we we retested like last quarter open right here at 2,000 sats, but got rejected, and right now we're looking to close above 1,000 sats. So let's take a look at it on the 50-day cycle, right? But before we take a look at it on the 50-day cycle, we're also going to take a look at XRP based on closing basis, right? On every bull run, guys, we tend to create higher highs. Right here you can see we got a beautiful high right here, right? Another high right here, another high right there. So since like we started the bear market, we also been creating some lower highs right here and right here. And if we connect these highs, you can see like XRP is ready to break out. Okay, so we could get the breakout at any given time. I'm expecting a potential breakout in Q2. If we do not get it, definitely we could expect like some breakout like in Q3 and so on. That's a quarterly time frame, so price action could be moving very, very slow. But one thing we just have to remember is like, once we get the bull run, it's not going to be like a 2 years bull run and all of that good stuff. It could be just a 3-month bull run, okay, like where we just going to pump like in 3 weeks and consolidate like the rest of the quarterly time frame and all of that good stuff. Because even though like right here we pump like from like 700 sats all the way up to 24,000 sats, the entire move was just like in 3 weeks, like a 6 weeks, something like that, okay. Even though you can see like on the quarterly it is saying like 6 months, but the move was not that long, okay. Something to keep in mind, big breakout. It seems like bulls are ready to get the job done. Looking at XRP price action, beautiful descending triangle for the bears, and they're gonna get wrecked looking for a lower number and all of that good stuff. We talked about it like 6 months ago when we said we're going to be looking for a potential support at all-time low based on the quarterly time frame. Now let's take a look at the 50-day cycle. The 50-day cycle, it doesn't look bad at all. We're going to close the cycle in like less than 2 weeks and so on, right? So once we close the 50-day cycle, we definitely could be looking for another retest of the 2,500 sats range, okay. Right now price is at just about 1,000. So based on the 50-day cycle close right here, that's the level we're going to be looking for. If you take a look at it on the 50-day basis, you can see like we got support, rejection right here, okay, bang bang, resistance right here, support right there, beautiful support right here. So we just need to close within the next like a 50 days, right? Once we open the next 50-day cycle, we could even like break it within like the next like a 2 weeks and so on, because remember we got like 2 weeks to go to close the current 50-day cycle. But I'm expecting like over the next like a 50 days, over the next like a few days, let's say the next 50-day cycle, we could attempt to close above 2,500, and that could potentially take us above the monthly 21 EMA right here. Okay, so the monthly 21 EMA and 50-day cycle going to be our resistance level we're going to be watching going like into Q2. If we break above 2,500 sats, guys, next major target going to be like nearly 10,000 sats. So XRP looks pretty bullish, very bullish. One thing we just need to do, guys, once again, break above like a 2,500, and we could be taking it to the upside. We've seen it on Dogecoin, we've seen it on Digibyte. They're looking pretty similar, all right? And we could be expecting like a massive pump from XRP, potential 10x to 20x over the next like 3 to 6 months and all that good stuff, right? Now let's take a look at XRP on a 2-day basis. So on a 2-day time frame, what we said regarding XRP was like we just need to retest our low right here, right? On a 2-day basis, when XRP was right here, we said sucker gonna pump all the way up. Okay, however, don't get caught up with the hype, because the initial move right here, it is not going to be the initial breakout move. Wait for the retest of the bottom, beautiful divergence, wait for that. We're getting everything we've been looking for over the last few months and so on, right? So beautiful setup. Anything below 1,000 right now for XRP, it is basically a steal right here. Okay, the potential bearish setup bears could come up with is like they could be calling for a potential wedge pattern, but since like market is crazily bullish, right, I wouldn't be going for a potential wedge pattern. It is still valid if bears are looking for this move to the upside, yes, but still very accumulative right here. It is going to be below 1,000, and sucker could be basically flipping bullish at any given time right now. So it is not time to be selling XRPs, right? So it is time to be huddling these XRPs for the next like a major move all the way up to $13. Okay, now talking about $13, let's go ahead and take a look at XRP USD, right? So the 50-day cycle for XRP USD, what we've been saying was like we're looking good on the 50-day cycle, right? As you can see, back in October, what we said regarding BTC, we said if BTC closes above 10,500 before October 27th, bang, we're not going to get any resistance on the 50-day cycle. Take a look at it right now on XRP closing. Okay, we close above like 45 cents. Basically, we do not have any other resistance, guys, but this small resistance right here, right there. Okay, it is just a small resistance at 60 cents. So if we can close above 60 cents before the 50-day cycle close, that could trigger some massive pump going like going into Q2 and the next like 50 to 100 days, which mean like the next 50-day cycle. Okay, because the next major resistance after that going to be all-time high based on closing basis at 199, just about like $2. So two major targets to pay attention to for XRP, guys. It is going to be close above 63 before April 10th. Okay, it closed before, before April 11th, right? So because cycle gonna close on the 10th, right, we're gonna open a new cycle on the 11th. So if we can open the 50-day cycle above 63, okay, by April 11th, sucker could be trying to pump all the way up to $2 going into June 10th. Okay, because the next cycle gonna close on June 10th. So we could see a massive pump, a potential 2 to 3x move, guys. That's like a 3 to 4x move potentially for XRP, closing above like a $2 before the summer. Okay, it could be a process. I don't think like we're just gonna pump like in 1 week from 50 cents all the way up to like $10. It is going to be a process. First challenge is like to close above 63. Second challenge is like to close above $2 by the summer, and then bang, okay, everything going to be just a moonshot, and we could be going all the way up to a $13 target. We're going to talk about our next target to the upside once we basically break above like a $2, because we already know, guys, we've been looking for $13 XRP, $10 to $13, even got some high prices up to like a $30, but we just gonna take it slow. You know, we're just gonna take it slow, step by step, break above like a 63, break above $2, break above basically a $10 to $13, and we're going to be looking for those 589 and all that good stuff. All right, thanks a lot for watching, guys. If you're new to our content, don't forget to hit the likes if you enjoy the content and you find it useful. We got a premium group, link in the description. We also got a public Telegram group, link in the description. You can also you can also join the public Telegram group if you find the content useful. All right guys, thanks a lot for watching.